Lorena.
I'm Rispa Namai.
I'm Cynthia Ndangi.
And we are products of ICE. Me myself, I knew ICE through our life skill teacher who was called Cole. I joined ICE last year, that is 2017, fashion and design course. And through ICE we have been able to be given all the kinds of education that we need, that is in fashion and design. In fashion and design, we have tackled so many things like dressmaking, women's wear, kids wear, and household items. And so far, as I'm talking, for now we have our own production through ICE, and we came up with this idea of opening up our own business when we were about to finish our course, that is 2017, the last month of 2017. And we came up with this idea of opening up our own business with my friends Violet and Sylvia. And when we discussed this idea among ourselves, we presented it to our teacher, that is Rosemary, who is our fashion and design teacher, and she was pleased with our idea. So she went ahead and presented our idea to the organization, that is ICE, and the staffs of ICE saw that that idea was good, and they were willing to help us. And so far they have helped us so much, like they provided for us machines, materials, and the items that we need in the workshop to work with. And right now we have our own production unit there at Cooperative Bank, Outer Ring Road, and that is the work of ICE. And through ICE also, we were able to they were able to pay for us school fees, since some of us, we are coming from backgrounds that are not rich, and they saw the potential inside us. They saw our capability of doing the work of fashion and design, and they decided to pay for us school fees, and also the external exam, I mean, that is the NEET exam. They were pleased with us due to our hard working and the passionate that we had towards our work. They were able to pay for us the school fees and the NEET exams money, that is 7,000, and we were able to do the exams and we passed it well. And for now, I'm happy, and I give all the votes of thanks to ICE that they have done so many things in our life. They have made us to be at least somewhere, because so many youth, when they are out of schools, they normally do so many things, and as we know, outside there, we don't have, if you don't have skills, actually you are going nowhere. So they saw that we have that skills of fashion and design, and decided to open up a business for us, and we have improved so much. Our marketing also, we normally target the outside market, that is Italian markets and also local markets. We normally make different kinds of items. We sell it locally and also outside the country. And
Okay, through ICE, they gave us loan. The loan we used it to buy some of the products that we needed in our business, and we were able to go and show out our design to the community. That was in our Youth International Day. And through ICE, they gave us the chance to show our talent. Our friends, they laughed at us because they said that we were going to study, to take the course of the people who did not go to school, but we never gave up. And today our friends are so proud of us because of our products. We are making our products, we are selling our products internationally, especially in Italy and Canada. Yeah.
Okay, ICE na vitu mingi sana, kama mashine. Tulikuwa tumepanga kufungua business yetu, hatukuwa na kitu yote. Wametusaidia na loan, wakatusaidia na mashine. Yeah, no one out wakatusaidia na mashine, G2G wakatusaidia na kitu kingine, lakini ICE imetusaidia sana. Hatukuwa tumejua kama tunaweza open business yetu. Tulikuwa tumeanza kupanga hiyo plan ya open business, lakini hatukuwa tuko sure kama tunaweza open business. When tuliopen business yetu, nishukuru Mungu sana because ICE imetusaidia sana kutoka vile tulianza kusoma hadi sasa hivi tumefungua business yetu. Na pia tumesoma life skills. Kama mimi vile nilikuja kujua watu wa ICE, nilianza na life skill kwanza, ndio nikaingia ICE. Before nimalize life skills, tulisoma tukaambiwa tuchague course yenye tunataka, lakini mimi nilipendezwa na fashion and design. Nikachagua fashion and design, nikaanza kufanya about design.
We are girls, and girls we normally go through so many things, so many challenges. Outside there, sisi kama youth, we are youth. Vitu zenyewe tunapitia huko nje ni mingi sana. From our friends, from the people surrounding us. Huwa tunapitia vitu mingi sana. But hiyo BCP yenye tunapewa na ICE inaku advice at least venye unaweza associate na watu, venye unaweza associate na other youths outside there. Hiyo yenye unafunzwa inafaa also you go and teach other youths outside there. And in our work tuko na ile passion ya ku reach other youths outside. Hii imetusaidia sisi kama wasichana watatu tukafungua business yetu, but our mission is to get out other youths outside there. Tuwaeleze hii life yenye tunaishi saizi, kama hauna skills enyewe hakuna penye unaweza enda. Kama una skills life yako haitakuwa poa. Twende tuwapatie education also. Tuambie kwamba wasikue wakichagua kitu ati siwezi nikafanya hii, siwezi nikafanya hii. Sisi wote tumefanya form 4 na tulipita. Si eti ukishafanya form 4 umepita then unaenda huko nje unaanza kusema sitafanya fashion and design. No, hata some of us like me, I hate that mentality that I can't do fashion and design because si cause yenye ya watu wenye wameenda shule. But through ICE BCP you are able to be changed your mind. Unaambiwa cause yenye unafanya, so long as you do it with your passion and you trust in yourself, you'll be able to make it in life. So that's why thank to ICE so much. Tunawapatia votes of thanks because wametuhelp sana venye tumefika hapa. Hapa yenye tumefika yenyewe, kama ingekuwa ICE saizi, for example mimi ningekuwa maybe huko nje. For example Violet saizi angekuwa maybe anafanya kazi ya nyumba huko nje, lakini ICE ilitushika mkono toka venye tuliingia shule, ikatushika mkono mpaka penye tumefika hadi ikatufungulia job. That's why tunawaambia tu asante sana na tunawashukuru sana.